Good afternoon. Good afternoon to all and welcome to the session. First, I introduce myself. I am Shankar Ganesh from Pantech e-learning and welcome to the Pantech e-learning. Today we are going to discussing about data science, right? Your voice is clear now? Anyone can? Any post down the comment in chat box. Voice is clear? Say yes or okay or thumbs up symbol. Can you give these kind of things in chat box? Then when I can start. I don't know how many people are watching this session. Hello. Yes, no. Conrad said yes and Madan said no. Okay, fine. Okay, we wait for 2 minutes. So only one person will comment. Yes. Okay, once again, good afternoon to all. Welcome to the Pantech e-learning. I am Shankar Ganesh from Pantech. So today we will see about data science, right? Today we are discussing about data science. So anyone kindly tell me what is data science? Whatever you know, you said. Like post the comment in chat box. What is data science? Anyone? The interaction is better for this session. First, I am audible. Hello. My voice is clear or not? In the data and analyzing the data. Yeah, super. Exactly. Very good, Sumant, and thank you for your response. Data science means is collecting and extracting and analyzing the data, analyzing the raw data, right? Data science isn't to study and also discussing about the raw data, that is data science. So in this session, we will fully discussing about what is data science exactly and what are the applications, what are the tools we are using in this data science field. These kind of things we will see about in this today's session. So without delay, we are entering the topic. So first thing, data science is the art of turning raw data into insights. Already told, data science is to handling with the raw data. With the vast amount of data available today, so data science helps make sense of it all by using statistical and computational methods to extract meaningful insights. So data science is not working with the future. It is current. It's not audible now. Okay. So everyone will not hear my voice. Hello. Hello. Now it's clear or not? Hello. Kindly respond for this. Now it's clear. Hello. Okay. So shall I continue? So data science is the future of decision making, but it's working with the real world thing. That means our current world. Okay. In today's data driven world, business and also organization of all kind rely on data to make informed decisions. So data science play a critical role in this process by providing the tools and the methods needed to extract valuable insights from the data. So just imagine, so in now all kind of things like social medias like WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, in any kind of things we will, in all kind of social medias working with the data, right? So if we are using the Facebook or Instagram, we have given what is that, post idea, some photos or videos, these kind of things. So these all things working with the data, right? These all things is considered as a data. So in here everything, voice is statistic. Okay, it's echo now. My voice is echo. Okay, wait a second, guys. Now it's clear? Yeah, okay, super. Thank you. So, data science is in a critical role, and also the data is important for all kind of social medias and also missionaries, right? In system wise or mobile phone, computer, television, in any kind of things, without data it is not possible for this, right? So that is the thing. The data is important for all kind of missions. So next one, data science is for everyone. While data science has traditionally echoing. So again you try to yourself. So all of my voice is echo now also is echoing, and now it's okay. I don't know why the echo is out. The room is clearly okay, and continue. So kindly adjust this. So if you want to refresh, you want high edits, kindly you want to quit and also come join again. Then you hear it. So the data science has traditionally been associated with technical fields like computer science and also statistics. It's becoming increasingly important across all industries and also disciplines. So anyone can benefit from learning data science skills, whether they are working in healthcare, finance, marketing, or any other fields. So already I told data science is the current world system, right? In all kind of system like medical industry or healthcare, finance, marketing, in all industries the data will be working, right? So digital marketing is there. So guys, don't do that unwanted things. If you're not interested in this session, kindly leave. So don't interrupt with others. So data science is all kind of things is working here, right? That is working within healthcare, finance, marketing, in all kind of things, in all fields. Next one, we will see about applications of data science. So what are the applications is there? So first thing is healthcare. So already we know the healthcare means to predict the disease and also to detect the injuries, which kind of injury is there. For example, X-ray scan report is there, right? So this kind of machinery working with to scan our human's full body, right? So the data will be applied in that place. So the machine will be trained. The help of the data, the machine will be trained. So this kind of this is to affect this human, right? So the healthcare is algorithm can be trained and large amount of patient data to identify patterns and predict the likelihood of certain diseases or conditions. For example, predictive models can be used to identify patients at high risk of developing diabetes, heart disease, or other condition. Already we know, right? So how the doctors will be, doctors will be checking, detecting the disease. Based on the report, the doctor will be identified, right? This kind of the person is have heart disease or sugar, diagnosis, diabetics. So same like that, the machine will be do that. We'll give a input from system. System will be understand based on the training data. The system will be find. So that this kind of person or patient having heart disease is not having heart disease. Based on the details, input details, the system will be detect. How the system will be do that? With the help of the training data, it is possible, right? So that also same like that. Healthcare also working with the data science. Finance also same like that. Data science can be used to predict various financial outcomes such as stock price, interest rates, and also economic indicators. So this can help financial institutions make more informed decision about investment and other financial activities. So for example, it's trading, right? The trading is the best example for this. So based on the trade market, we have give a what is that? Give a prediction, right? The stock market will be increase or decrease based on the prediction. The trading will be work. right? So the finance also same like that. The data should be play a vital role in this place. Next one, paramedical industry. This also same like that. It is used for to identify the virus and also bacteria and same like that to create a new medicines, right? The drugs. That means like medicines. And next one is a marketing. So now the marketing is a very booming concept, right? So data science techniques can be used to segment customers based on behavior and preference, such as which product they are likely to purchase or which marketing messages they are likely to respond to. This can help marketers develop more targeted and personalized marketing campaigns. So before 10 or 15 years, the person directly go and explain with the products with the customers, right? So that is a marketing level, right? Our product, like one of the product is there, like what is that? One food product and also one perfume is there. So the particular person going with some places and explain about the product. Then only it is reached to the customers. So now the technology will be improved. So lots of ways is there, like advertisement and also social media is there. So take a product picture and giving some captions like about things of this product is easy to reach all customers, right? Why? Because we are all using these smartphones. We are all having a smartphones. In daily we will see the lots of products like fruit products, medical what is that? Um, Lots of products, food products, like medical products, and also our routine life using products. These kind of things we have, right? With the help of the mobile phone or social media, easy to recognize and also easy to know, easy to understanding the products. So now it's called as a digital marketing. So digital marketing is one of the booming concept in current trend, right? So that also working with the data. Okay. So next one, agriculture. Agriculture also same like this. So based on the weather, like weather pattern and also soil condition, this kind of factors we can find. So before 10 to 15 years it is difficult. So now it's easy. We have lots of machineries is that with the help of the machineries we will identify the weather condition, also soil condition, and based on the plant's health condition also we will detect. So one of the familiar project is there, like leaf disease detection is one kind of the machine learning project. The project is example for this one. Based on the leaf image, we can find which kind of disease affecting the leaf. So one of the familiar project. So most of the people you know, like computer science students or computer science related peoples you know, right? So next one we will see about the tools for data science. Still before we have see about applications of data science. Now we are move on to the tools for data science. So it's needed for basic thing is Python programming is needed, and tool data visualization like Matplotlib and Seaborn, machine learning, natural like NLP, natural language processing, and deep learning, mathematics and statistics. These kind of 6 kind of tools is needed for data science. If you know about if you want more update for this data science, basically you need this kind of things. You know about this kind of 6 kind of tools. Python is needed for that, data visualization is needed, machine learning, NLP, deep learning, and also mathematics and statistics is needed for this. These are all basics. If you know about this, then only you can easily understand the data science, right? These are also tools for data science. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, right. So next one, machine learning. Machine learning is one of the important concept for data science, right? So, anyone tell me what is machine learning? Already is there, creating algorithm and model capable of making informed choices or decision by processing data and learning from it. If anyone simply said, what is machine learning? Anyone give a one line for this machine learning concept? I think totally 50 participants to watching this session. Anyone? Can you send the answer for this? What is machine learning? Whatever you know, you said. Taking inputs and predicting outputs. Yeah, super RP, super, very good. They are also similar to that. Simply said, machine learning is to training the data, like training the machine, right? You are also right, like taking inputs and predicting output, that also right. But we simply said to training the machine, that is machine learning. Without training, the machine is not predicting the data. Once the machine will be doing and predicting the data, giving the output, once the machine will be trained, then only the machine to predicting the output. Is not trained, that is not possible, right? So machine learning is to training the machine, that is simple thing. Okay. So if you want a brief explanation for this, creating algorithms and models is needed for this, and informed choices and decisions, and taking the processing the data and learning from it. That is machine learning. Okay. So it's a process of machine learning. First we will collecting the data, and pre-processing means to analyzing and manipulating the data. Then we are creating the algorithm for this machine. Then only the model will be created. It's a simple process for machine learning. Next one is a deep learning. So deep learning, any idea of this deep learning concept? It is specialized field within machine learning where artificial neural network are employed to process and analyze complex data. Okay, we don't have time, so I will explain. So deep learning is to handle within data, right? How the machine learning will training the data, deep learning will handling the data, right? Once the data will be handled, then only the data will be trained. Yeah, exactly. That is a subset of machine learning also. The deep learning is a subset of machine learning. That means the deep learning will handling the data, same like machine learning will training the data. Then, so that is the reason we will say deep learning is a subset. Okay. A machine learning will training the data, deep learning will handling the data. First, we will give the deep data, right? We will give the input from the data to the system. First thing, the deep learning will handling the data. So, which kind of data is there? What are the processes there? The deep learning will handle. Then the machine learning will processing the data. Right? This is the differentiate between deep learning and also machine learning. Okay. So this is the process of deep learning. So giving the data, like getting the data and analysis, then pre-processing, and with the help of the neural network, the data will be decided which kind of data is there. Text data or number data. Based on the data's format is decided in this place. So this is the example for deep learning and machine learning and also artificial intelligence. So artificial intelligence means the overall concept, right? So the chatbot is an example for artificial intelligence, like ChatGPT, Google Assistant. These are all example for artificial intelligence, right? So how the AI final output will become. With these two kind of the techniques, then only the artificial intelligence will become. First thing, the deep learning will handling the data, then the machine learning will training the data, then only the AI will become. Right? So that is the reason we said artificial intelligence is a subset of, machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, deep learning is a subset of machine learning. You understand? Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence, deep learning is a subset of machine learning. Okay? This is the example for AI, machine learning and also deep learning. Then next word is the NLP. So what is NLP? Okay, NLP means natural language processing. That means the NLP is using for to identify the language. There are two kind of languages there, right? Human languages, one is a human language, another one is a system language. So both are different. Humans can accepting the like reading format, right? Like letters wise data will only we can understand. Systems are different. System and machines will understand the numbers data. So that is the reason system language is different, human language is different. So in between the mediator platform is then NLP. In this place, NLP will be applied in this place. That is mediator. That means it's a translator also. The NLP will working with an in human languages there, they are converting us to understanding the system language. So as a given input, the input is giving like a text wise. Most of the time we will give an input as a text wise, we will give it to the system. The NLP will converting the language, human language into system language, right? Then again this output will become, so that time output will comes like a system language. So that is the base, the NLP will be converting into system into human language, system language into human language, right? That is the overall NLP process. NLP is a natural language process. The overall concept is to identify the understanding the language, the simple thing, okay? So same like that, NLP is a natural language processing, and NLP is a machine learning technology that gives computers the ability to interpret, manipulate and comprehend human language, to understanding the human language and the system language. So next one we are moving on to the types of machine learning. Totally 3 kind of types is there, like most of people you know. So what are the types is there? 3 kind of types there. One is supervised learning, unsupervised learning, third one is a reinforcement machine learning, right? Supervised learning is to using labeled data. Labeled data means to mentioning the name. Do you see this picture? Then we can understand. So these are all labeled data. Why we say this labeled data means each and every data have a name. They have one label. That is the reason we will call this is the labeled data. So the round shape is in circle, box shape is a square, and 3 faces is the triangle. So each and every data is having one name. So based on the labeled data, we will be using the training purpose. In this place, we will training the model, training our system. Then we will checking the prediction. We will give a round shape object one kind of round shape object I will giving to my system. My system will be predict. This is the circle. This is our prediction. Based on the training data, my system will be predict based on the shape. Comparing to this shape, we find out the name. That is a circle data. When giving the box shape, that is square. Once giving you 3 faces, that is triangle. Based on the shape, the data will be predicted. This is a supervised learning, supervised machine learning. That means we will giving a labeled data. So that is this is a supervised machine learning. And supervised machine learning is an opposite type. In this way, we are using the unlabeled data. Why? Because why we called is unlabeled data means we are not mentioning the name. Based on the data's count, the prediction will be decided. You see that overall lots of data is there, like square, circle, 6 faces, again 3 triangle, and also circle, 6 faces, triangle, and 6 faces, square, and also 6 faces. Based on the count, the result will become. You see that the 2 square shape is there, 2 circle shape is there, 2 triangle shape is there, and the 3 6 faces is there. So based on the count, the result will become. In this format is called as grouping. So this square is one kind of group, this circle shape is one kind of group, triangle shape is one kind of group, same like a 3 faces is one kind of group. Based on the data's count, the result will be predicted. So this is the unsupervised learning. So unlabeled data you will using in this place. So before that I missed one thing. Supervised learning is have 2 kind of types. One is a regression, another one is a classification. Regression is using for to getting the output from numbers, like continuous values comes to output, that is regression. So optionally the output will become, that is classification. Classification means the output becomes like this. So tomorrow whether is cold or hot, any one will become, right? Tomorrow whether is hot is not, hot will become. So tomorrow whether is cold is now, to cold is come. So in this regression means, so what is tomorrow weather? So the 84 degrees Celsius, that means that numbers will become. So today is 54 degrees Celsius. So tomorrow is a 84 degrees Celsius climate is there. You understand? Regression is comes like a continuous value. Classification is comes like a optional. That means categorical value. Okay. So already we see about the unsupervised learning. Next one is a reinforcement learning. Reinforcement means once the output will become, then only the process will be stopped. It's also comparing to the looping concept. Already you know, so most of the people you know looping. What is looping is there, right? So one agent and environment, this both will be important. So what that means, I will set this simply. If one person is there, like one student is there, that student will working with one kind of project. Okay. When the project will completed, then only the process will be stopped. Okay. That is the concept. So in this place, the agent is a student, the environment is a project. Okay. So he is taking one kind of project. In this project will be completed. So the students will what will we do? Students will to handling one kind of process, like one kind of method. So for example, the students will make one kind of food product. Okay, like a cake, in any kind of product is make. Okay, so the product will be making, like the preparation process there, right? So they're giving some kind of materials and what is that? Like apparatus is needed. So once the method is not wrong, so what the students will be do is try with another method. One method will be wrong, it's not applied for this project, so is try with another method, that is state and reward. Again is do with another step. Do you understand? One method is applied, that method is not shoot for this project, so the person will try with another action, that means another method. So when the environment will be fulfilled, then only the process will be stopped. Before that, this group is working with the same project. So for example, for this reinforcement learning is Tesla. Right, driverless car is the best example. Why? Because the car will be without human action, the car will be drive. Suddenly any object is crossing the in front of the vehicle, suddenly the car will be stopped. The car is not stopped, some error is there. So we can find out the error and solve it. Then only the car will the driverless car will comes to our routine life. Why? Because it's related to our human's life, right? Human safety also included in this project. So when the car fully drive without action, without human action, then only it's approved, it is driverless car. Before that is try with another step, right? So the reinforcement learning. Next one, steps in the machine learning. So what are the steps is there? So first thing, we are collecting the data and pre-processing the data and splitting the data and selecting the data, like needed data only we will select, and training and create a model and training the model. Then we will do the prediction. Finally, we getting the output. So this is the process. First thing, we will collect the data and pre-processing data. So which kind of data is there? So any duplicate values or null values is there. That is pre-processing method. Then we can splitting the data, like input and output data, we will splitting into that. Then we can using the selecting the needed data only. Then we can create a model and training the model. Then we are giving a prediction and getting the output. Okay, so this is the process. Next one, data collection method. So most of the people you know. So what is this kind of things? Kaggle, UC Machine Learning Repository, Google Dataset Search. These three platforms is using for collecting the data. I prefer Kaggle is best one. If you go and search with the browser, type Kaggle. First initial link will become that link to inside of the link, the Kaggle's official website is there. So if you want any kind of data, you will get into the Kaggle website. Okay. The next one, pre-processing method. So feature scaling, encoding, imputing null values, and outer layer detection and handling. These are all pre-processing tools. So most important for our data science concept. Feature scaling means based on our data, the mathematical values is there or not. Encoding means to converting the data. So if object data is there, so system will be understanding the numbers data. So now we can convert object into numbers. That is encoding method. In imputing null values, if we have a null values like duplicate values is there, that is affected in our prediction. So the null values is no needed. So we can impute or dropping the null values. So outlier means based on our prediction, the data will be equally, the output will become. Okay. So one kind of data will be what is that? Extracted. Another data will be not extracted. That is called as an outlier. The outlier is separate concept. It's also one of the booming concept. In depth, if you want more about, more update and also more knowledge for this data science, you can contact our coordinator and join with our some master classes going on now. We can join our master class. You know about detail in this data science. Okay. So now it's algorithms. So already we know. So machine learning is three types of machine learning: supervised learning and supervised learning. Supervised learning is having two kind of model like types: classification and also regression. So based on the separate concept, the classification is having some kind of algorithms. So regression is also having some kind of algorithms. Names will be there. Maybe Bayes, decision tree, support vector, random forest, nearest neighbors. Same like a linear regression, neural network regression, support vector, decision tree, lasso, ridge regression. So unsupervised reasoning is a clustering, that means grouping function. So K-mean clustering, main shift clustering, DB scan, and agglomerative and Gaussian mixture. Reinforcement is a decision making, quick learning, R learning, and also TD learning. So this is the overall concept of machine learning and also data science. So data science is comparing to machine learning is needed for this. Right? Okay, fine. So that's it. So this is the overall concept of data science. In this today's session, we will see about what is data science and what are all the applications and what are all the tools we are using needed for this data science. And also inside the data science concept, we are discussing about NLP, deep learning, machine learning, and types of machine learning. These kind of things we will see about in this session. I hope you all understand. If you want more update or also more details for this data science concept, kindly contact with our coordinator and visit our website. Already we give a social media link and also website link also we will post at the chat box. Kindly check it that. Any kind of queries you can contact with our team. Okay. If you have any doubts, kindly ask now. If you don't have a doubt, we will wind up this session. That's it. My side I will fully finished. Anyone have a doubt? Kindly ask. Okay, thank you. Thank you all. Thank you for your listening. See you.